We know that the most popular holiday season plant is the poinsettia, and it's got an interesting history to it, and it certainly today offers us a wide variety of color and options in bracts to lighten up or brighten up our holiday decorations. The colorful part that we all enjoy that are either red or pink or white, everyone thinks are the flowers, but in fact they're actually colorful leaves, so they're modified leaves. And if you look in the center of where those colorful bracts are located, you'll see the actual flowers, and they're very small. As far as color options, 20, 30 years ago, we had very few options. Typically, commonly a white, a pink, and then a red. Today, there are literally hundreds of color selections, leaf types, and so the diversity is tremendous. Probably Freedom is the most common variety, a red variety in the trade, but others are Chianti, Red Velvet, and Prestige. And then there's certainly a number of white bracted varieties, and they can be pure bleached white to some with almost kind of a yellow white. So again, it's kind of a personal preference. There's a number of very attractive, what I'll call mottled or speckled varieties. Strawberries and Cream is a kind of a fun variety. Jingle Bells and White Glitter. Another kind of unique variety type that's available common today are those that have crinkled bracts. So they're typically red or could be pink, but they are crinkled. And those varieties are White Rose and Carousel. Another new variety that is very interesting is called Holly Point, where the bracts actually kind of resemble holly leaves, and they also have some variegation in them. One of the myths that we deal with every year is fear that the poinsettia plant is a poisonous plant. But research at Ohio State several years ago confirmed that, in fact, it is not a poisonous plant. The care is pretty easy. Just a couple things. You would like to provide as much light as possible. These plants were grown in a greenhouse, and they really are tropical plants. As far as temperature, between 65 and 75 degrees temperature is just ideal for poinsettias to keep them looking good. Watering, just keep the pot really moist. They don't want to be overwatered. So just keeping a nice consistent moisture would be recommended as far as moisture. It always comes up, people want to know, can they get their poinsettia to rebloom next year? And while it's certainly feasible, it's just not a practical thing for a homeowner. It involves a lot of work. So from those of us here at the Cooperative Extension Service of the University of Arkansas, we'd like to wish all of you a happy holiday.
To learn more, contact your county extension agent and follow the links in this section.